got TJ reffing. B said, get up. Good buckets. What'd you say, Rob? Who y'all rooting for? I don't know. The Rice Birds are undefeated too. The Rice Birds are undefeated too. Treat them like how y'all treated us. They got boom, boom. Huh? I know. I know. You don't gotta say that. I don't even know. You a tech titan. JR. Good shit, good shit. Put that ball in the point guard hand. Good shot. 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 Nice shot. Rim blocked his shot.
Time for us to get on YouTube talking about somebody's team like they be talking about us.
We gonna talk about him. Touchdown. Up. Couldn't hold on to it.
Did he call double? He doubled? I don't think I doubled since the 5th grade. How you do that? And one.
Come on, B.
4 down. Travel? They got teams for you on the guard.
Who?
Whitebird. And one.
They let him move out there like he a little guy. They let him move. They just let him move up and down the court.
I don't know. I play against dudes bigger than him. Wait, damn.
You know what I'm saying?
He moved. He garbage. He moved too far.
He's a point guard. Oh my God. Point guard, point center. They really do got a team full of guards. Dude don't even play really down low too much like that. Buckets. Up. You ain't gonna split him?
Attention all Monon D Center guests. Will the following cars please move from the east parking lot? The red Honda Accord, license plate number 1265. A yellow taxi cab, license plate number 133ANM. A white Volkswagen Jetta, license plate number 924241. Silver RAV license plate number 469AHT.
Yeah, that was foul.
The black BMW.
Oh shit, that's me.
License plate
I wish I had a BMW.
What color does it say the beamer was? Mine's black.
License
It
plate
says black.
W2264. The silver Dodge.
After I get out of school, I'm gonna have one.
The black Honda Pilot, license plate number 412M5. The black Chevy Cobalt, license plate number 9824. The gold Toyota Corolla, license plate number 7829JJ. The blue Dodge Durango, license plate number 3690. The red Nissan Altima, license plate number 3814.
Stop blowing that half whistle, Calvin.
The black Mitsubishi Mirage, license plate number 494.
You got to blow that whistle like Rob blow it.
Red Mustang, license plate number 324YAC. The black Cavalier, license plate number 6194. The blue RAV4, license plate number 4104. The white Camaro SS, license plate number 41092.
I don't know my license plate number.
Nah, we parked in the cool spot. Nah, we didn't park on no other side. We park where everybody usually park. Y'all know I line up?
So like, during a break or foul or something, just stop it once in a while.
Okay. Nah, it was. Shit, I hope it was. Nah, I started recording before the game started, and I didn't never stop it. The damn camera, they automatically then stopped on its own. Cause I hit record before it started. I hit record before that jump ball. I never stopped it. They need a camera. I need a real video camera. This little camera ain't nothing. They probably stopped on it. That's what it was. It stopped. Wow. It's like a shot. He got blowing the wind. There you go, good job, good job. Hands up. They are, don't like it. Get beat up. Oh, he really is getting beat up. Damn, man, they got first half of the game. Well, it wasn't too much. 10 minutes. They could. Red content. Hey, the beat just throw the ball and JR on my trip. He just threw the ball and JR. JR is about to call the take. Hey, I'm gonna start doing that. Shot, Gary! Is that how you play it out? And throw it to his feet like you trying to pass it to it real quick. And then hit him in the nuts. Start doing that. Nick done put a Tracy McGrady. What? Kick the ball. Nick. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You done threw somebody down. Stole somebody in the back of the head. Boys get physical. Hey, Nick, you like Rodman in the leg. You kicked the ball. You done stole somebody in the head. What else have you done? I probably done missed something. That's just one game. That's what I'm saying. That's when I was here. I don't know what I missed. He said, and I got you locked down in my generic shot. What'd he say? Little boy. Shot, Paul. I've never seen Paul hit no three. Shot, Paul. Paul shoot. When we played together. That's Paul's first three in the league. Nah, he probably didn't hit so. I've never seen him shoot threes though. Hey, if you don't carry, he can't dribble. Yeah, he did, yeah. Come on, TJ, get on your job. Look, hey, he was like, man, how much can I give you, man, not to play? Huh? He was serious. I know he was. He texted me, he's like, did you change your number? I was like, yeah. He's like, oh, I text you. I was like, what'd you say? He's like, can I pay? He's like, can I pay you not to play? I was like, shit, give me the money now. He's like, shit, you for real? Okay. No, man. So Nick was like, fuck, you took the money. Nah, your hands, Pete. Jack move. Wake up, man. Find the feet. Where y'all at? They really They thought they was gonna beat us.
I don't know what.
They went up 10, everybody on the sideline.
I
love that though. I love that. I love that. I love that.
I thought we was back in Chicago playing again.
You said you thought we was in Chicago playing. I love that though. I love when the crowd is in the game. Make me go harder. Take it up.
Take a rain clap. Good shot.
Back. Cracked him. B. 3.
Gary, what was that?
What?
Gary with the little nigga cross up.
We try to float it from the free throw.
Got that.
That's the shot you should take. That's the other one.
That's the B I know right there. Go past. Score. You about to cross and watch this. Make him 5. I'm gonna say double. Cool. Look, they stacking up. Look at them.
North Carolina.
3. Hey, that is what we used to run back in the day when we was little. Who we play next week, man? Who we play next week? Zillas. I'll shoot. Zillas. Yeah, I think so. Over the bag. He throwing it to himself. And 1. Off the backboard.
Hey man, how y'all letting the ref from up there is Kyle and the man is standing right there, not Kyle? That's horrible. Calvin has been Kyle. Calvin ain't Kyle because he ain't get fouled. It's just I guess any time in this league when you go up and you do this and go up, it looks like you get fouled.
You gotta do it every time then.
I see, maybe I should stop playing so strong and just go up weak. It's like, he fouled.
3. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Melted him.
I bet that's his first 3 the whole season.
Think you need a Band-Aid. 3. Wow. Right back at you. I told you. So you can't be doing that, you know what I mean?
It was a heat check off of 1 shot.
This down camera only dude. Uh-oh. Come on, Paul. 3. Oh, shit.
They don't want no trouble.
Why don't y'all call timeout? You gotta shoot that 3, watch. You gotta shoot that 3. He dribbling up top. What are you doing? You just running back and forth. Who team Gino play on? Rob, who team Gino play on? What's their record?
0 in this season.
So ain't nobody showing up today. The team is sad.
Who team beat West on?
Same team.
Are you serious, Nate?
B West, Gino, and Gabe are 3 stars.
And they haven't won a game yet.
I'm gonna make sure we make it. I'm for it.
Hopefully y'all make it. He said we'll invite everybody. Everybody coming. Everybody coming. Be the only time you probably play there. I said be the only time you play there.
I'm telling you. He was sitting on the grass.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, B.
Hey.
Good take. Grab it and take it up, man. Take. Somebody get that man. That baby don't know y'all. We ain't messing with y'all. Another missed shot. Look. 3. Bow. Somebody guard that man. He done scored what, 7 in a row? See if he can top my 8. See if he can top my 8 in a row. What the hell was that? Come on, Gary. Don't go out like that. It was. I had like 8 in a row at one point in time. I think I had like 8. I had 8 in a row.
8 threes?
Nah.
What, 8 shots?
Nah. 20. No, I'm saying when we was coming back, on our way back, man, we was down like 11 or 12. that gave us that spark right there.
Because everybody started running.
Needed that spark.
I should have gone the other way. It was off his foot.
Who's he throwing it to? How much we beat him by 2? We beat him by 2. Man, we could have beat them by more. Most people got tired, stopped playing defense.
That's all day. That's all day, B.
Yo, B.
You spend too much energy on offense and not playing on defense.
Oh,
Big dude right here.
big dude, yeah.
Yep. He gets the ball, and drive.
Oh, shit. Oh my God. Uh-oh, Tech, the ball went over there. Is it a Tech?
Hey, B, I guess 3 points is better than 2.
Look at the ball. Somebody threw the ball. I'd have Tech him. I'd hit him with a Tech. Throw him out the game. Get out. That's what I'd have did to him, bro. Come on, Gary, take him. Pop him. Man, you supposed to pop him with that
girl,
3.
you ain't front walking no more, man.
Whoa.
Backboard.
Uh-oh.
That's what he wants.
That was a bad shot. Uh-oh, you might be from Watkins. You might be. That was a nice move. Three ball. Bow.
Out. That's out. That's out. That's out.
That's out. That's out. Come on, TJ. You got that Mountain Dew in your hand over there, it look like. How you reffing and drinking? Oh. He held his hands up. Bow. Shot. Uh-oh, what he gonna do? What he gonna do? Good shot. Yeah, down 4. Why would y'all let him pull up and shoot like that? Shit, he'll hit it. He probably should. You say he can't shoot, but shit, he'll hit that mug. 3.
Damn. 3 shots.
Oh no, I would have. Yeah, I would have had to shoot that. You gotta be conscious on who you get the ball to. You gotta be conscious of who you get the ball to.
Hands up, you heard? Hands up.
Shot. You live by the 3, you die by the 3. Y'all better take it in. Look, see?
3 rebounds. 3 offensive rebounds.
Come on, Gary, what you gonna do? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Throw it up. Take the easy too. Gary, what you gonna do? I need to see something. They gonna shoot the 3? Oh, I knew it. Rule number 1: be cautious of who you get a ball to on a pass like that.
Man, but it's so all down the field.
Yeah, I'm about to run down the shit.
I'll do a pass, but he can't finish.
What was that?
Try.
3. Take it in. Come on, Gary. We don't foul out.
In this lane we do.
Oh, Gary, we don't foul out like that, man. What's wrong with you? You just got to play like your hands tied behind your back, man. You just can't reach.
That was my excuse.
That can't be an excuse. What they gotta do? What? That's an excuse. I'm talking about your hands. They don't got nothing to do with your hands. Your fouls.
I can't run like I used to.
You killing people and stuff, Gary. That's.
He supposed to be a soldier.
Yeah, he a soldier. He over there in the desert with them Afghans. Come on. Yeah, he over smoking good with them.
Sky hook.
Uh-oh, fast break. Watch you miss, watch you miss. I'm about to say, Jack, move on camera. Cross, trip, foul. Come on, Gary. Is Calvin asleep? Hey, Eric Sue. You crossed the camera.
Did you guys win?
Huh? Who?
Did you win?
Yeah, we won.
What's your record right now? Like
5-0.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. Rice Birds, they undefeated. Is it timeout?
You representing Panda X?
Yeah, you know, Panda X, you know. No, wrist. Three.
Come on, Gracie!
Shot B. Who's I'm a big man. Jump ball. Good call, TJ.
Serious. Good.
Travel. Get your roll on. He traveled first. Yeah. He jumped. Never need a sweater off in this mug, boy. Sweat on my white beater. Got me cold. I say, and he got his own rebound back. Represent for a short people.
Attention all
Buckets.
Belmont Community Center guests. Will the following cars please move from the east parking lot? The silver RAV4 Toyota, license plate number 469AHT. The blue Chrysler Sebring LXI, license plate number FW2265. The silver Dodge Intrepid, license plate number 465. The gold Toyota Corolla, license plate number 782NJJ.
Man.
The blue Dodge Durango, license
Y'all
plate
play
number
next?
3690.
Who y'all play?
The black Mitsubishi Mirage, license plate number 495AOE. The red Mustang, license plate number 324YAC. The blue Scooter. The blue Azera MDX, license plate number 7696. And the black Toyota Corolla, license plate number 155AXY. Thank you.
Airball. Come on, man. Good shot. What the hell was that? He throwing up circus shots. He tired. Look at him. Y'all better get that man some water. He tired out there. He ain't playing no defense. Yeah, he ain't playing. Reach. Popping with the three. Oh my God. I should turn off the camera. Three.
Come on, man.
How many three-point attempts to have Riceburgs taken? That's like all these shots. All these shots been almost self-scored. They still leading though. Bend them knees.
You see that?
22 threes. Is that 23? 22.
How many they hit?
Like 3?
He said they 3 for 22. Hell nah. Nah, they gotta be 6 for 22.
Can we get a foul? Damn!
Play some defense.
He grabbed you before you started shooting. You don't got no range. Beat.
Here you go, Davey!
I'm busy looking down, looking at the play, the camera down there. I'm like, damn. Huh? Oh, nah, I was the captain. Huh? Yeah, 4 of us been playing together since we was little. The other guys, they good too. They real good too. I just happen to get lucky. I never seen them play, but yeah. Diedrich, I got another dude, JR, and my another dude named Kevin. Huh? Yeah, I mean, I ain't tripping. As long as we got 5 on the court, man, that's the only thing we need. We been like every game. That's the closest game we done had right there. Every other game, all the other 4 games we done played, we done blew teams out by 20. Who was she up for you? I said, who was she up for? Say everybody. Let me pay attention to this camera, man. People watching, they gonna be like, this nigga ain't paying attention. I don't care. Yeah, I said it. Good shot. Everybody. Dunk. B is playing full court defense by himself. What the hell? Where you at, B, man? You just letting brawl right by you, B. You gotta play to the end. Yeah, something like that. Camera about to stop. Y'all better fail. Nah, this second, I think. They didn't change it, so shit. Man. Your team here, T? Mess around and lose the game. I better not lose this game. Oh, shoot. Come on, Kazes! We got room for the underdog here. Next game, we rooting against Godzilla.